Traveling or being sick can make it hard to stay productive. But with some simple tips, you can still get things done and feel good. Here are some easy ways to stay productive in these situations. Plan ahead. Before you travel or if you start feeling sick, make a plan. Write down your most important tasks. Focus on what really needs to be done. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed. Prioritize simple tasks. When you are tired or not feeling well, do small and easy tasks first. These will give you a sense of accomplishment without using too much energy. Examples include replying to emails, organizing your files, or making a to-do list. Use technology. Use your phone, tablet, or laptop to work efficiently. Apps for note-taking, calendar, and reminders can help you stay on track. If you are traveling, use offline options to keep working without internet. Take breaks often. Whether you are sick or on the move, rest is important. Take short breaks to relax your mind and body. Drink water and eat healthy snacks to keep your energy up. Work in short sessions. Instead of working for a long time, try shorter work sessions. For example, work for 25 minutes, then rest for 5 minutes. This method helps keep focus and avoids burnout. Create a comfortable workspace. Find a quiet and comfortable place to work. It could be a corner in your hotel room, a cafe, or your bed when you are sick. Make sure your workspace is clean and has good lighting. Stay connected. Let your team, friends, or family know your situation. They can support you by helping with tasks or encouraging you to rest when needed. Adjust your expectations. Accept that you may not be able to do everything as usual. It is okay to slow down. Focus on progress, not perfection. Use audio or video. If writing or typing is hard, use voice notes or video messages to communicate or take notes. This can save energy and time. 10. Keep a positive mindset. Finally, stay positive. Remind yourself that it is normal to have low energy sometimes. Celebrate small wins and keep moving forward step by step. By following these tips, you can stay productive even while traveling or feeling sick. Remember to listen to your body and adjust as needed. Productivity is about balance, not working nonstop.